With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. The arrangement is release from rest, minimum angle theta, at which block A starts sliding downward. So if you see, this is the arrangement. So if you notice that there is no friction between block A and the inclined plane. So what will happen here, when this A block will start to slide, it will not slide alone. It will come with B. Right? What will happen if A will have acceleration A in downward direction? Definitely B will also have the same acceleration. Why? Because if you see there is no friction, what will happen? When it will try to move, there will be tension will generated here, right? And the same tension will act on B in downward direction. So what will happen when the tension, because of the tension and the mg sin theta component of G in along the plane direction, the friction force will act on this B, right? So what will happen in total? The friction force will act on the system of AB up the plane, so that the friction force could stop the relative motion between B and the surface. So if it is stopping the motion, relative motion between the B block and the surface, so what will happen? B block is connected to A and A can't move unless B will move, right? So basically we have to see these two as a system, right? So let's see how I'll do it. So the component of mg down the plane, you can get, if you see, the both will experience mg in downward direction. So along the plane you can break them into component like this. I will write here the downward force is 2 mg. Here it is mg. And if you see this angle is theta, then this will be 90 minus theta. So it will be mg sin theta. Right? This is 90 minus theta. And this is 90 minus theta again. So it will be again mg. This is 2 mg sin theta. This is mg sin theta. Now, perpendicular component will be mg cos theta and mg cos theta like this. So as I told you, they two will only move together because there is no friction between the A block and the surface. So what will happen? The A will have a tendency, when the A will have a tendency to move in downward direction because of the tension that will act on the A in upward direction, the same tension force will act on the B in downward direction, and because of the tension, what will happen? The friction force will act on B in upward direction, and they will either will move with same acceleration or they will not move, right? So if you see, we can get this limiting friction value. It will be equals to mu times of the normal reaction on B. So you can see here on the up the incline, the normal reaction will be like, let's say this, and on it will be Na like this. So if you see, the block are not moving up like perpendicular to the incline, so I will write NB is equals to mg cos theta, and if you put the value here, it is mg cos theta, right? Okay, so you got this limiting friction, and if you see, it is given that minimum theta at which it starts sliding. So we just want this two block to start sliding. So if you see the net force on the system, now we'll come to the system, because they two, as I told you, they two will either move together or they will not move. So the net force in downward direction is 2 mg sin theta plus mg sin theta, that is 3 mg sin theta, and here it will be F. So if I want them to move, then I will write 3 mg sin theta along the plane, so it will be more than the limiting friction. Put the value of limiting friction as this, and mu is given here, it is half. So I will write the limiting friction is mg cos theta by 2. So I will write 3 mg sin theta is more than mg cos theta by 2. From here, you will get this mg will get cancelled out and you will get tan theta is more than equals to this. So it will just start to move at theta. So I will write motion will just start at tan theta equal to 1 by 6. Now you can match the option tan theta is 1 by 6. C option is the correct one. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.